Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon account suspended. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, log in to Seller Central and open the Performance Notifications section to read the exact suspension message. Copy the stated reason for suspension into a document so you do not miss any required points. Check whether the issue is related to policy compliance, order performance, product authenticity, or verification. Download any referenced reports such as order defect rate, late shipment rate, valid tracking rate, or voice of the customer. Open Account Health and take screenshots or notes of the red metrics that Amazon highlights. Identify the time period when the problem started by matching dates in notifications, returns, and negative feedback. If the issue is late shipping, review your handling time settings and confirm your ship-by dates are realistic. If the issue is cancellations, check your inventory accuracy and remove any listings you cannot fulfill immediately. If the issue is authenticity or IP, stop selling the flagged ASINs and do not relist them during the appeal. Collect invoices from your supplier that are dated within the last 365 days and show your business details clearly. Make sure the invoices include supplier name, address, phone number, and match your Amazon legal entity name. If you do not have proper invoices, contact the supplier and request corrected documentation before appealing. If the issue is product condition, review your prep, packaging, storage, and labeling process for that SKU. If the issue is customer complaints, read the messages and returns to pinpoint the exact expectation you failed to meet. Create a simple root cause statement that explains why the issue happened in one clear sentence. Write immediate corrective actions you already took, such as refunding customers, removing listings, and adjusting settings. Write preventive actions that will stop the issue permanently, such as new SOPs, daily metric checks, and staff training. Prepare a short plan of action with 3 parts: root cause, corrective actions, and preventive measures. Keep the plan of action factual, specific, and free of emotional language or blaming Amazon or customers. Attach supporting evidence only if Amazon requests it, and keep files readable and properly named. Go to the suspension notice and click the Appeal or Reactivate button to submit your plan of action. Double-check spelling, dates, and that every Amazon concern is answered directly in your text. Submit once. Then wait for Amazon's response and do not send multiple appeals within a few hours. If Amazon replies with a denial, read their message carefully and improve the weak sections of your plan of action. If they request documents, upload exactly what they ask for and ensure the files match your account information. If the case is complex, consider using Amazon's Account Health support call to clarify what evidence they need. After reinstatement, monitor account health daily for 30 days and fix any metric movement immediately. Set up ongoing controls like inventory alerts, shipping automation, and supplier verification to prevent repeat suspensions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.